November 2025.
Naam, kama njia mojawapo kufikia mpango wa serikali wa kupanda miche bilioni 15 kufikia mwaka 2032, washikadau mbalimbali wakiongozwa na shirika la Tawi wameanza mazungumzo na shirika la kuhifadhi misitu nchini kuhakikisha kwamba wanafanya kazi pamoja ili kutimiza ajenda hiyo. Wakizungumza wanahabari walipowapokea maafisa kutoka shirika la Tawi, mwenyekiti wa shirika la misitu nchini Titus Korir ameomba wadau wengine kujitokeza kwa wingi na kushirikiana nao na shirika hilo ili waweze kupiga jeki mpango huu wa upanzi wa miche kama njia ya kukabiliana na athari za mabadiliko ya tabia nchi.
Partners coming in and we can easily increase the number of youths, particularly in growing of seedlings in our forest. I mean, it might not, some of them might be not permanent jobs, but it will be casual. But also, as we expand our operations in replanting, definitely we will employ more people. So I see a good projection of increasing the number of youth in this operation.
We are here in an ongoing discussion with the Kenya Forestry Service, working towards a possible MOU to help them deliver on their core mandate. The details will be shared at a later date, but for now, all I can say is that the discussions have been fruitful and we see a path towards a partnership.
We are focused to work closely with the coalition, but to bring innovative, cutting-edge digital tools to be able to accurately and granularly measure data and all the different events that's happening in the areas which we will be working. So this is monitoring, this is measurements, by the way, this is real-time data, and the ability to verify the activities that are happening. And very important for us to be able to engage the local communities and ensure they're getting the benefits.